Hi guys, in this tutorial we learn how you can automate any of your TradingView strategy, indicator or trend line using Tusta. It's a very simple process. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to automate any of your entry exit signals. Also add more risk management to your strategy without adding any kind of logic or pine code to your TradingView. You can directly set up these risk management from Tusta. You can also virtually test them, that is like paper trade on your strategies, and without risking your real capital you will be able to understand what kind of returns this strategy can generate. You can forward test them and analyze all kind of data points and insights from that strategy, everything from a single dashboard. On top of it, you can automate different strategies with different brokers, all from a single Tusta account. So let's see what all do you need to get started. First, you need a TradingView paid account. That is a compulsion. You will require any kind of plan would work, but you would require a paid account of TradingView. Second, you would require Tusta subscription. Do not worry. For new users, we provide 3 free days, which is completely free, and you can test out your strategies in that period itself and then take a membership if required. Third, you need a TradingView strategy which you want to automate. So let's see how this automation works. First, go to TradingView, select the script which you want to trade with. So in my case, I'll select Nifty and set the time frame which you want to trade on, which is 5 minutes here. I'll add the strategy from the indicator section. If you have a personal pine code, it will be in personal strategies, or else you can add it from technical section, go to strategy section and add a strategy. Make sure it is a TradingView strategy and not indicator. As for indicator, there is a separate system altogether to automate, but here we are only talking about strategies. So make sure it is a TradingView strategy. One key differentiator is that in TradingView strategy, you will be able to test the strategy and backtest it in the strategy tester, whereas indicators you cannot backtest them. You can also see other differences on the Pine script, but this is the most obvious difference which you would see. So make sure you have a TradingView strategy. Once you have added, just go to Tusta, log in into your account and go to create new strategy section. So there is a create new strategy section here. I'll just click on it and select automate TradingView strategy. So here the first option I'll select. Here you can automate any kind of futures, cash or option strategy. For this tutorial, we'll select options. I'll select the index, which is Nifty in my case. You can also have positional strategies made, but here we'll just create an intraday strategy where entry time I'll set to 11:15 and 2:30 as my exit time. So any signals which are coming in this time period, only those would be executed. And I don't want to trade on Thursdays and Wednesdays. So I'll only select the ones where I want to take a trade. Once done, I'll select if the strategy is for selling. My strategy is a buying strategy, so I'll not select this option. I'll select the number of lots which I want, which is 2 lots. I'll select the expiry. I'll select the strike. If I select a fixed strike, I can add the strike price which I want to trade in. TradingView allows you to trade in a specific strike chart also. So for this, it is helpful. But in my case, I'll set it as automatic as I'm directly setting this automation on the index chart of Nifty. Here in strike selection, I'll select OTM2. Tusta will take care of the current OTM2 and will execute accordingly. Here I'll be able to set multiple risk management parameters like max profit, which I'll set to 10,000 and max loss as 5,000, which means anytime realized PNL has reached 10,000 as max profit, it will not take the next entry trade. Similarly, if it has reached 5,000 as the loss in realized PNL, it won't take any new entry condition. I'll select the target points. I'll set the target points to 50 and stop loss points to 20. This is individual position wise. So each trade, the target point would be 50 points and stop loss would be 20. I can even add trailing stop loss if required. There are multiple parameters, lock and trail, lock or trail. As per that, I can even set a trailing stop loss. Here I'll click next. and give the strategy a name. So I'll just name it TV Strat and select the broker of my choice. Here, make sure this is set on virtual or active. So if you want to take trades directly in your broker, select active. If you want to take virtual trades, paper trades, you can set it on virtual. Also, for virtual trading, you would require a broker and you would have to log in into the broker to make sure these trades are taken. So here my strategy is successfully created and I'm getting the entire screen to connect TradingView. All I have to do is click on the copy alert message. So I can see a copy button here. I just have to copy the alert message as it is and go back to TradingView. Hover over the strategy which I had added, and there I would be able to see these three dots. So I'll just click on these three dots and select the first option, which is add alert. Here, go to message section and remove whatever is present by default. So I'll just click backspace and remove everything. I'll paste the alert which I've copied from Tusta as it is. So the alert message as it is I've copied here. I can give any custom name. Here I'll just add Tusta test as the alert message name. And in notification section, I have to turn on the webhook URL toggle. Once webhook URL is ticked, go back to Tusta and copy the webhook URL and paste it here as it is. So once these two steps are done, your alert creation process is ready. Just click on create and you'll be able to see your alert in the alert section. I can see Tusta test is my alert name. I can see it is 5 minutes nifty and the status should be active. Make sure your status is always active. And here I can click complete setup. Here I can see TV Strat is set on virtual. I can click on it and I can see all the open positions of this strategy directly. I can see the order history from here itself. I can even change quick toggles. So if I just want to set the lots to 1, I can select it from here itself and click on save. If I want to further modify all the parameters of the strategy, I can do it from the modify section. Once this strategy takes multiple trades over a week period or a month period in live or virtual, you will get data on the analysis section. Here you would get all the data of winning percentage, losing trades, missed signals, average brokerage, everything would be provided in a single dashboard where you will be able to filter it out by the dates, by the time period as per your requirement. You can also download CSV of all the trades which it has taken and further analyze it in Excel. If at all my TradingView account is changed or I have to copy and create this alert again, I can go to connect TradingView, copy the alert message and webhook URL and paste it again. Once I run this strategy on virtual, and if I want to convert this into a live strategy where all the signals are taken and executed in my broker account, I can click on go live. So these will take all the trades on my broker account directly. Now let us see how can I monitor all these trades. I can go to the trade section. Here all the open positions would be shown. In order history section, I'll be able to see all the orders which it has taken place today as per the strategy name, symbol and all the other meta information. If I further want to analyze, I can also click on details and see the order IDs, exit methodology. I can even share this trade if I want to directly from here. I can even set filters on order history and select it as per strategy, broker wise, PNL range wise, signal type, if it is a buy signal or a sell signal, profit or a loss trade. As per that, I can set all these filters and download the entire data logs as it is. If at all there is a signal which has come and Tusta has not taken a trade, go to all signals section and you'll be able to see all the signals which it has generated today, and you'll be able to see what is the reasoning behind Tusta not taking that trade. There can be multiple edge cases as your broker wouldn't be connected at that period, or that strategy is not active, or you don't have enough funds. If it is executed, you will see this message that signal is executed. So here with full transparency, you will be able to see what was the reasoning behind that signal not taking the trade or getting executed. In my strategies section, I can see my TradingView strategy. Anytime if I want to set the strategy back on pause and I don't want to trade, I can just drag and drop, or I can set it from the buttons given inside the strategy. In this way, you will be able to automate your strategy. If at all in any case the strategy is not taking trades, make sure two things are done. One, check your alert and check if the status is active, and check the logs if it is generating signals correctly as per your requirement. And secondly, go to Tusta trade section, go to all signals and check if there are any missed signals, what is the reasoning behind them, and try to fix that. Tusta is one of the fastest execution speeds, so be assured about the latency and the speed at which it takes trades. I hope this was helpful, and let me know if there are any other questions regarding to automation of TradingView. Thank you.